What a great way to start the recording.
Yep.
What the hell just happened?
You tell us, Destiny. You tell us.
What?
Hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna be on here again. Oh god!
Oh my god.
He fell again. He fell again.
Why?
What a great way to start the recording.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me go ahead and go on Discord and like me.
Son, I swear to God, if you fall.
Oh, I made it right here, right here.
Are you?
Come on.
I swear to God.
Yep.
My god.
Just be like jinxing him falling.
Of course you're gonna keep jinxing it.
Because you keep falling, and it's funny.
It is pretty funny, I'll tell you that.
Oh, I know another thing. I can stand on top of here.
No,
Oh,
don't
God,
do
no.
that.
Okay, you know what? Guess what? I'm not gonna be stupid this time. I'm not gonna be stupid this
Are
time.
you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure about that, mother.
Oh my gosh, Wildcat! Please!
What is making me
God.
You're weak! My god!
Ow. Oh, wait, hold on. Roxy, if you fall, I swear to God.
Nah. Oh.
Destiny, Roxy, if you fall, I swear to...
That wasn't me! That was not me!
Hey, guess what, Roxy? I booped you twice.
I am okay.
How dare you? How dare you?
Oh god, I think she's mad
Boing.
at me now. Oh god, you're wheeze!
God.
What the? Why doesn't come back? What the heck?
Oh my God.
This is insane.
Roxy, don't fall.
What?
I'm about to say, don't fall. Oh. What? We can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
No, get away! Get away!
I said we can't hear you.
Repeat yourself, sir.
Yeah, I know that.
Repeat yourself, sir.
Are you girls doing okay?
I am, but I don't know about her with her wheezing.
Oh my God. Don't tell me it fell. Oh.
He fell.
I knew it.
He fell.
Where is he? Wait. Can't do it. Oh my god.
This is a great way to start 2023.
Hey.
Yep. Especially with all my wheezing.
How are y'all doing?
Doing good.
Hi.
You?
Hi. Hi.
No.
Get over here.
General Kenobi.
I'm sorry, I won't be with her again.
Get over here.
I won't be with her again.
No.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Up. And he fell. He fell.
Are you serious?
You know what? Just get me. Just get me. I'll come up to you. Get me. I don't care. There, you got me.
Oh my god, that was funny.
I swear, if you fall off the edge one more time.
All right.
Are you serious? Wait. Walk it.
I'm not gonna play dumb. I'm not gonna play dumb this time.
Wait, hold on.
Guess what? Guess what?
What?
General Kenobi!
Mother! Your wheeze, Wildcat, your wheeze makes me.
What the? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey! Are you two okay?
Try asking that to Destiny.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm trying. I'm fine. I'm just laughing to death. No, I'm fine.
I think I broke my son.
No, actually, I think I broke him. With my wheezing.
I didn't boop you. I never said boop.
Also, so guys, so about...
Sorry, I just wanted to do that for fun. General Kenobi!
Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god. Okay, so about that not falling off thing. Wait, hold on, guys, wait, hold on. So about that not falling off thing, right? About that not falling off thing, right?
Yeah.
So I'm about to say like, you know, like this. Whee! Whee!
Okay, Roxy, I don't think I can calm down now because Wildcat literally just sprint past me, just fall at the end.
Wait. Wildcat.
What?
No.
Are you ready?
What? What are you gonna do?
Ready? You might have to move out of the way for this.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Anyways, 3, 2, 1.
I believe I can fly.
Roxy, Wildcat, I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Where?
Wait, you're what?
Where?
I'm stuck. I can't get out. I'm stuck.
No, where are you stuck?
Ugh.
Oh. But I'm like, how did you get stuck there?
No. I'm holding W. It won't let me out.
Try jumping.
I'm
It'll let me jump.
Oh, there we go.
I had to take a screenshot of that.
Oh, and there he goes. Wait, hold on, Roxy. When Destiny gets back, I'm gonna do the thing.
Yeah.
When he gets back, I'm gonna do the thing that you did.
What'd you say? What are you saying?
Alright, Destiny, watch this.
Oh no, I'm gonna try to hold it.
Good luck with that. But 1, 2, 3.
I believe I can fly.
He's laughing.
Wait, Wildcat.
What?
Wildcat.
Hey, guess what,
While
guys,
you're
guys.
editing this video, Yeah.
Guys. I mean, fine, I'm just gonna say this, but whatever.
I believe I can fly.
Alright, Roxy, what are you saying?
no, I think while you're editing this video, you should actually put the song "I Believe I Can Fly."
Oh.
Oh my God.
That would be great.
That'd be funny.
That would be-
Oh yeah, I just noticed that.
Where did she go?
Right here.
Where's
Wildcat's right here.
Hi.
Aye.
Hey, Wildcat, do you know what Roxy just told me?
What?
My first appearance on your channel.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Knowing me,
Whee! Just awkward silence. Oh my God. Yeah, Destiny, you're like, oh, ah!